Good.
Kisses on a little
Itty.
bitty nose.
Aw, newsies.
Mwah.
Or warming kisses on two baby hands.
Good. Do you want to show Juliet the picture real quick? Almost there. Look, looks like Grandma.
It's like Grandma giving kisses on the hands.
Grandma, I said.
Mm-hmm.
3 fuzzy kisses on sweet little ears.
Who's giving kisses there?
That's right.
The kitty.
Fred. That's funny.
We don't have a kitty.
No, neither do we.
2 gently kisses.
Gentle.
Kisses on cry.
Tired.
Crossing
Closing.
eyes.
Good job.
You're doing great, Addison. You're doing awesome.
1 last kiss on your sleepy Juliet.
Good. Show her a picture. There, Juliet. What do you think of that page? The baby's falling
Oh,
asleep.
Juliet can relate.
And now it's time for baby's bed.
Good. Now show her the
Oh.
baby in the bed.
Oh, look at sleepy, happy
She's in
baby.
the bed. Now
Oh,
it's time to... And then there's stars on this page.
good night, stars.
She
Yeah,
liked it. She did some
yeah,
kicks.
that's right. See, she's looking.
She's getting really, really chubby on those cheeks.
You guys got a nice angle from down below.